What is up, guys? This is Soggy TX. Today I'm gonna make a real short video about my pellet smoker. So this is my Pit Boss Rancher. I actually got this. I got this for free because it wasn't working. So I've gotten to do a bunch of troubleshooting on it to get it going. This is a Pit Boss Rancher. I think it's just a name, like maybe a store name on like a 700 model. So if you have a 700, probably going to be pretty similar. But there were some issues with this, and one of the first things I had to do was I had to check if the fuse was blown. And so I'm going to show you how to do that, because actually everyone just said, you know, like in the forums and stuff, they just said, oh yeah, check your fuse, check your fuse, check your fuse. And nobody told you where the fuse was, nobody told you how to check the fuse. So I'm going to show you. Alright, so let me right here, this is your hopper where you put your pellets. Down here is your control panel, and what's going to happen if your fuse is blown is you're just not going to get any power, or you'll have some other similar symptoms. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to remove these two screws. So let me do that real quick. I forgot to mention, make sure that your smoker is powered off. Otherwise you might get some sparks that you don't want. Alright, so I took these two screws off, and then you're just going to remove this right here. And sometimes it can be tight. It depends on if they zip tied your wires together. If they did zip tie your wires together, you may have to go underneath, remove I think 8 screws, take the bottom plate off. I actually have it off right now, right there. And then you'll be able to cut, like I think it's 2 zip ties on mine is what I did. Make sure you zip tie them again later, so that it doesn't get wound up in your fan or get anywhere it's not supposed to. But you're gonna pull this out. It's kind of a tight fit because these go to either go to the temperature probe for the firebox, or they go to the hot rod. Can't remember which, but these kind of get bound right here, so you have to kind of wiggle it a little bit. So this is the back of your control board. What you're going to want to do is this little green area right here. This is a replacement control board. The first one I had a little glue on it. This one is zip tied. So if it's glued, you might have to kind of pop it a little with a flathead screwdriver. If it's zip tied, you'll have to cut that. And inside there is a fuse. It is a 5 by 20 millimeter 5 amp fuse, something like that. Yeah, so that's what you would order. I just ordered a big kit off of Amazon. You want to take that, swap it in there, pull off this lid, swap it in, and then put it all back together, plug it in. You should be good to go. All right, so that is how you replace a fuse on these older kind of more basic Pit Boss smokers. They the newer ones have like the kind of the horizontal, fancier looking control panels, and I saw a lot of information about those, but not very much about these. So I just wanted to make a video, help you guys out. If you like this video, you want to see other smoker videos, I also do some fishing videos. So make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe, share, tell the world about me. Not really, but I'll see you guys next time. Bye.